The second one is HIV. This virus belongs to the family of Retrovirus, which causes acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, shortly AIDS. Both HIV 1 and 2 are believed to have originated in non-human primates in the West Central Africa and are believed to have transferred to humans, a process known as zoonosis in the early 20th century. AIDS was first clinically observed in 1981 in the United States. AIDS leads to progressive failure of the immune system. Without treatment, average survival time after infection with HIV is estimated to be 9 to 11 years depending on the HIV subtype. In most cases, HIV is a sexually transmitted infection and occurs by contact or transfer of blood, semen, and vaginal fluids. Non-sexual transmission can occur from an infected mother to her infant during pregnancy, during childbirth by exposure to her blood or vaginal fluid, and can also transmit through breast milk. There were approximately 37.9 million people across the globe with HIV or AIDS in 2018. Of these, 36.2 million were adults and 1.7 million were children less than 15 years old. In 2018, 770,000 people died of AIDS-related illness, 1.2 million in 2010 and 1.7 million in 2004. As of 2017, 2.1 million living infectants are there in India alone. Even after so much global vaccination effort, the scientists were not able to discover the vaccination.